Hi, in this video we will learn about the function and the formula. So first let us write some of the numbers. So here I am writing 10, 20, 30, 40 and 50. So for first we will see the difference between the formula and the function. In this ribbon you can see the auto sum is given, so just click on auto sum and press enter. So what it will be do is it will auto sum these numbers, which is 150, which is absolutely correct. And next what we can do is we can have the formula by first in the right is equals to, then f1 plus f2 plus f3 plus f4 plus f5 and press enter. So it will be 150. So the difference between function and the formula is this is known as the function, which is given in the Excel itself, and this is known as the formula, which we have to generate, which is not given into the Excel command. So in this formula, this is the formula and this is the function. There are various functions. First we have seen the auto sum, so let's see other function. For example, I want to do the average of this, so press average and press enter. So this is the function, average function. Let's see other functions such as count numbers, so it will count the numbers, so it is 5 numbers. Now let us see other function. Let us see maximum. So out of this the maximum number is 5, so it will found the maximum number as 50, sorry. And next coming on to the another function, minimum. So minimum is 10, so it will give minimum as 10. Now coming on to the another function, there are many more functions you can generate out of it, standard deviations, then sine, pm, ptm, etc. So here we have seen the difference between the formula and the function, and there are various functions which are already provided in the Excel, and the formulas which are not provided in Excel, we have to generate it by first we have to type is equals to and then select the cell which you want to add. So I want to first add f1 plus, then f2 plus, then f3 plus, f4 plus, f5 and press enter. So it will show the sum of this by using the formula. So here we have completed with the formula and the function. Thank you.